How much stuff have you bought so far from the Notability shop? I've collected about 9, and that's what this video is going to be about. Hey guys, it's Rob back with Paperless X, a channel that is all about digital productivity. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. Before we get started, in case you missed it, we launched a new channel for desktop applications. Make sure you check it out after this video. Notability is currently on sale for $3.99, a one-time purchase for both its iPadOS and macOS version of the application. It is now a universal purchase. Buy it once for both devices. The Notability developers don't know when their sale is going to end, so if you ever wanted a good deal for Notability, now is probably a good time to buy it. Their latest additions to the Notability shop are essential shapes, washi tapes, and sticky notes for the Dash Planner, which we reviewed a few months back. I've not bought these because my planning approach is very minimalist. Decorations are not really my thing. I'm mostly excited about the digital notebook and the bullet journal planner, which they also recently just added. And that's what we'll mainly be focusing on in this video. I was disappointed to learn that the bullet journal starter is a set of stickers and not an actual journal with different page templates. Who else would have preferred different page layout templates like the ones they show in the shop, with an option to design your own, of course? You have a decent number of stickers to design pages you want using this. And the cool thing is that after designing your page in the future, you just copy and paste to save time. You won't have to design your pages multiple times. If you're minimalist and all about doing things once, this works great. We love the stickers in Notability, both for notes and planning, because they're easier to use than the stickers we get with the old traditional planners, where you need to use the lasso tool to get stickers from PDFs. With this approach in Notability, you can add multiple stickers and rearrange them much faster. It's a smoother workflow, and we hope that other applications will adopt this. It simplifies digital planning and just using stickers generally. The guideline in the app make it easy to align your stickers on the page. It makes your pages look better. At least that's what I prefer. Here's a question to everyone enthusiastic about bullet journaling. Are these stickers enough to get started with bullet journaling? Let us know. They have stickers for days of the week, some sections, priorities, notes, for example, days of the month, heading ribbons, checklist stickers, and schedule stickers. So you can have timed schedules and non-timed ones. We also have a digital notebook. You can decide the size for your notebook based on the size of your device. The first page is the cover for the notebook. I'm sure this is where you write your name and subject. The next page is the notebook's index. The notebook has 12 sections. Index notebooks are a great way to organize your notes, especially in Notability. They give you another level of organizing your notes. So if you have plenty of notes in one notebook, an index notebook will help you to skip to different sections without having to scroll through each page in the application. Notability can't create hyperlinks, so you get hyperlinked notebooks instead. This allows you to save all your topics for one subject in one notebook. This digital notebook has a lot of page templates despite having just 12 sections. It has 35 page templates. You can duplicate the templates as many times as you like, and the application duplicates pages with active hyperlinks, meaning you can navigate through your notes quickly from any page, even the duplicate pages you create. Adding pages between any sections of your notebook does not disrupt your hyperlinks. Lastly, I have the following stickers from the Notability shop: STEM 1.0, Winter Essentials, Back to School Basics, and Everyday 50. These stickers are not associated with planners or journals. They look cartoonish, certainly an acquired taste. Let's hope they can bring in more players into their shop to add a bit of variety to their sticker collection. A wider variety would cater for more people. Don't forget to check out our PC app channel for tips and tricks to master your digital workflow on PCs. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next video.